In my previous video, I showed you how I installed the Dapol light bar into this loco. And as you can see from this roof removed shot, I now have a decoder in the top there. This one is the Dapol Imperium 2 Next 18 pin 6 function decoder. It was quite fiddly to install, as you can imagine, being N-gauge. But basically all I had to do was remove the blanking chip, which I'm going to try and show you in shot now, see if we can get to focus. Right, see the white part there, there's two little slots either side that I like to locate. And I'm going to show you what it looks like with the main decoder removed, so as you can see how it locates. As you can see from this part of the video, there is a tiny little rectangle there that has all the contacts on there. It's too fine to show you even closer, even in 4K, but there are some little locating tags either side of that, which I'll try and show you on the actual chip itself. Let's get into focus. You can see there the little white bar at the top there where it has the contacts. That white piece of plastic that locates the chip into place on the loco. So it literally just pops in there. A little bit of light pressure. Being careful not to snap anything. That's it, it's in place. Show you the details of the box that the decoder came in. So that's the actual chip I bought for this loco. It's just a 6 function decoder, just basic functions, no sound. That's just the front of the box. This is the instructions that came with the Dapol Imperium decoder chip. So this is page 1, and I'll turn it over in a sec. So there's a few more details about the chip on the back there. So feel free to pause the video so you can have a closer look at the instructions. So I'm going to show you some of the basic functions that I can now do with this decoder chip. If you look at the front of the loco, you can see we've already got the headlights turned on. And by pressing the direction button, which is already forward, and it's increased the speed to 1. Creeps forward nicely. And if you change direction, you should see the lights change to red. So hopefully you can just about see that there. By pressing function 2, I now have headlights lit at the front of the cab. And if you look to the back, I have the red lights lit. Function 4 gives me the interior cab lights and allows me to switch it on and off. So that's it on and then off again. I've also found out that with function 2, while the headlights stay lit, you can have the red lights at the rear on and off. So let's just show you that. Speed up a bit. I'm just going to stop it there for a sec to show you the lights. On, that's the red lights, and then off again. By pressing function 3, nothing appears to happen yet. So I'm not sure what function 3 does yet. Might be that I need to set one of the CVs to operate something else, another function on the loco. But yeah, quite impressed. And finally, front headlights, rear headlights and the cab lights are on. Show you it moving. So you can see all the lights. Speed up a bit. The cab lights. and the red lights.